Watch, 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 watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come to represent, you don't know a full effective. You don't know what go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion, boy. Watch. And the most electrifying, man. Watch it make me get real electrified now. Watch. Hear me I say, no, man. Right now, you know, my sister is a big controversial thing, you know. I go on all over social media, you know, all out on the social network, them, you know. Between Skatta, you know, Romiech, you know. You know what I mean? And them are two producer and two promoter, you know. You hear me I say? This should never go on, you know, because me hear the two of them are friends, you know, so it should have more professional more than that. And I don't think them supposed to come out of them zoning and talk about how much the artists them collect and how much the artists them are charge. I think it's supposed to be between them, you know. You see what I deal with, I don't know how the thing gets so messy, because here we go on. It's not like TJ, you know. He's a big monster artist. TJ is a still young artist, you know, no disrespect. Because Romiech, remember last year him signed the youth. You see what I deal with? And last year when TJ worked on Sunfest, him never have so much hit song and him never developed in him craft like how him develop right now. Because I think now a theme time, because two things you can't beat on this earth, you know. You can't beat the Father nor you can't beat the time. Time is one of the surest things on this earth. You see what I deal with? As me say a theme time this now, when to come and prove himself. What if the man did Romiech does say, alright TJ, them say 400,000. Take that 400,000 there. When you're done, you can just buy 2 champagne make us celebrate when you destroy Sunfest. Because when you destroy Sunfest and the world see that the amount of bookings you get this summer overseas, we pocket a go turn up and run over. You see what I deal with? The other mindset them should have for the local youth, because here we go on a theme time now. You cannot watch Buju Banton and Beres Aman and them people there and Chronics. Them already set them foundation. So them people they got demands the money where them want. Because remember say, when people see them people they on the lineup, a whole heap of tourists that are going to track. And a whole heap of people are going to come because what? Them man they in demands because I feed them time now. But me I said to Romiech, don't blight it TJ. For 400,000 and a theme time. You don't see what I go on. Remember, say them a build up Sunfest Dancehall night, you know. For the 6th them, you know, because of that I run the street, you know. What? Suppose TJ got dominate Sunfest over the whole of them. You know what kind of highlight is that for you, Romiech and TJ? You no pocket no run over money no money full in the pocket till it all run over and a drop out. And another joke thing, remember, you know, nobody never know about Rising King. Remember I'm perform a Sunfest and what him do? Him tear Sunfest apart. Immediately after that, in the summer, where him go? Him come to America on tour. Him left America, him gone to England on tour. Him left England, him gone to Canada on tour. Remember him is just a young artist. Remember him is a young artist, you know. And all of them exposure they happen, you know, just because him tear Sunfest apart, you know. And how much him did get for work on Sunfest? I doubt if them give him 400,000. But look how much money he make after Sunfest. Till him all show him house all build up. Him buy Audi and him buy BMW. Remember? Till all people that talk about no a scam money, him couldn't make money so fast. Him couldn't make money. You don't remember all of that? So picture what me I say. Suppose TJ go a Sunfest and take Sunfest all over the stinger, over the 6 them and everybody. Do you know what kind of highlight is that for him? You know, she said the man would have shell with the rest of the year. You know, she said the man touring thing would have turn up till it buck. You know, see, say, yo, all of them country we have winter, right? We winter done and a summer now. You know, see, say, all of them country there, where you know a party time now. You know, say, him not have hand for collect money. And him go perform on stage till him weak. You don't know all of them shit there. Come on, man. Sometimes, you know, we have to agree, you know, just not disagree, you know. And as I say, Skatta and Romiech, I swear think you know was friend. But them say money make friend, you know, and money break friend too, you know. But all me I say, you know, I not look for what you know say, you know, about una friend, and I'm not talk, I don't know if I true Skatta not take the whole package where Romiech want film artists them, why it becomes a problem. But me I say, the exposure FTG take Sunfest, if him ever take Sunfest, like how Rising King do it last year, me personally know say well then him book out for the rest of the year. Yeah, him booking so that turn up for the rest of the year. And you could have catch him up back, Romiech. So all of them money they will either miss out on Sunfest, you go hook him up back because him have too much bookings all over the world. You need a nice. Make him take the 400,000, put some gas in his vehicle them, and buy a cup of champagne and wanna celebrate the victory of fucking Sunfest. Wanna dominate it. Cause that's all they're supposed to boots up the artist and tell him, alright, and them way that them a work, here we go am artist. Just go Sunfest, go shell it way hotter than we hell there. You see what I deal with? Because after that we in demand and people have to come with their money and talk to it properly. You know what I mean? Because we stamp for class. You know what I mean? We stamp for class against the top of the top. Where them a push up on Sunfest and we destroy that make the world see. So right now we in demands. The boy can't tell what for charge. It's either you take it or left it. But don't stifle the look of your career by that. Because Sunfest are the biggest show in Jamaica right now. You see what I deal with? Don't make Sunfest happen like us Sting happen. You see what I deal with? Because remember, indiscipline cause Sting for mash up. Remember, Vybz Kartel say want a certain amount of money, you know. I remember say the promoter, you know, boot the man, you know, and give the man half of the money, you know. And when the man done Sting, you know, and send for him money, the promoter say bad man no pay, no pay that, you know. That the promoter say, you know, bad man no pay that, you know. And that make Vybz Kartel stick out, you know, for the money where him charge, you know. And them no want to pay that, you know, and Sting mash up, you know, remember, you know. But remember, say TJ is not a Vybz Kartel, you know. Because Vybz Kartel did pull him own weight, you know, remember, you know. Him not go Sting the following year, you know. And him go keep him thing, you know, in the madhouse, you know. In asylum, you know, and remember we go on asylum black, you know, all outside black, you know. Remember that, you know. So other demands that him have to build up for himself as an artist, you know. You don't want to show say him alone can lock down the whole place. Suppose you got in a high demands like that. Eh? Remember, you know, the world see what Buju Banton do, you know, in Jamaica, you know, all over the Caribbean, you know. So if you have the likes of Buju Banton on the line-up, you already know how much tourists that are tracking on my virgin. So you now can put up TG and a sensor name, not even TG sensor and ding dong. Not even the three of them you can put against Buju Banton name, you know. To the demands with Buju Banton in a right now, you know, my virgin. So I don't think so, you're not supposed to watch them thing, you're not supposed to watch a bigger picture, you know, my virgin. Sometimes we can't watch them look a lollipop thing there, you know. Sometimes we can't make $4, you know, make we lose 400 million, you know, my virgin. Sometimes we can't make 400,000, make we lose 400 million. A real talk, me talk, me make. What not do? Make 400,000, make we lose 400 million. How stupid that look. Come on, man, remember the world watch Sunfest, you know, the biggest show in Jamaica. All promoters sit down around them thing that day there. And I watch what go on. And if the man dominate Sunfest, like me say, like oh Rising King do it last year. Me say a murder film. A murder film. You never one of the biggest year you'd have more Romiech. I collect money. You see what I deal with? But me don't know if I two a Skatta you talk to personally, you know. And I never joke give them argument there, you know, and probably you know feel like Skatta supposed to gain a chat or maybe Skatta hold on pan Joe money as some people are say I want to spend it the way how him feel or whatever. Me know everything in them shit they have a budget. But me not try to come across what una say what people are say. All me look pan at the benefit of the youth. Because I'm a young youth and I'm a young dancehall act. You see what I deal with and by him take sunfest that I'm gonna put him on a different level. You see what I deal with? Because what the difference between him and Rising King last year? Rising King look like a bigger artist, see him all because him take sunfest. It's not necessarily same lyrical and TJ and bad and TJ. It's all because him take sunfest. Why him look like that top artist there? So why on a TJ time now? Because the youth have a string of hits behind him right now. All him need to do is just go to Sunfest, go perform them hits there in front of the people them and tear the whole place apart. And you now have and for collect money this summer. Because remember Sunfest are just one show. Sunfest is not all of the show them for the summer. You see what I deal with? Sunfest are just one show that are in Jamaica. And everybody, every promoter all over the world are going to glue upon that. Because whosoever takes Sunfest in demand when it comes to show business. When you come on, man, it's not everything about money. You see what I deal with? And I know money make the thing run. And money make the mayor go round. I know all of them shit there. But sometimes I say, you can't make 400,000, make you lose 400 million. But that's all I say. You see what I deal with? I walk to Romiech, where you say, you know drop catch. Sometimes you have to drop catch and look out for the benefit of your artists, them, my brother. You see what I deal with? And me as a youth know say a whole heap of people you employ and a whole heap of people you make her eat food. So my sister use a jovial youth. You's not really a bad youth, but come on, sometimes we make the ego get the best away. And of them things that as we are fuck we up as people. That's what I deal with. The only thing when me a debate upon. Me say I feel like a TJ time now. And the most hits this him ever have in his life. The most hits this him ever have from him at DJ. Make him go tear down the place with all of them hits there.